What are the foods that can help you prevent having a heart attack? Nutrition significantly influences heart health and can affect your susceptibility to heart disease, the primary cause of mortality among adults in the United States. Your dietary choices can impact key heart disease risk factors, such as blood pressure, triglyceride levels, cholesterol levels, inflammation. On this episode, we are going to learn about the 17 foods that can enhance your heart health. Food number 1 is leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are especially rich in vitamin K, which supports artery health and proper blood clotting. Additionally, these greens contain dietary nitrates, which can lower blood pressure, reduce artery stiffness, and enhance blood vessel function. The American Heart Association suggests that eating more leafy greens is linked to better cardiovascular health and a lower risk of heart disease compared to other fruits and vegetables. Food number 2 is whole grains. Whole grains are packed with nutrients because they contain 3 essential parts of the grain: the germ, endosperm, and bran. Examples of whole grains include whole wheat, brown rice, oats, rye, barley, buckwheat, and quinoa. Eating refined carbohydrates increases the risk of coronary heart disease, but whole grains provide protection. Adding 1 or 2 servings of whole grains daily can reduce the risk by about 10 to 20%. Numerous studies show that including more whole grains in your diet is good for heart health. The American Heart Association recommends choosing whole grains over refined grains to lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, coronary heart disease, stroke, and metabolic syndrome. A diet rich in plant-based foods, whole grains, low-fat dairy, and limited sodium intake can help prevent and manage hypertension. When buying whole grains, check the ingredients label. Phrases like whole grain or 100% whole wheat indicate a whole grain product, while terms like wheat flour or multigrain may not. Food number 3 is berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are loaded with nutrients crucial for heart health. They contain antioxidants like anthocyanins that safeguard against oxidative stress and inflammation linked to heart disease. Regular consumption of berries, particularly blueberries, may enhance the function of blood vessel lining cells, aiding in blood pressure regulation and clot prevention. Research suggests that including berries in your diet can be an effective approach for managing metabolic syndrome by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and improving vascular function. Enjoy berries as a satisfying snack or a tasty dessert to reap their health benefits. Food number 4 is avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, known to lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Consuming at least 2 servings per week is linked to a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 21% lower risk of coronary heart disease. Studies show that avocados can improve LDL, the bad cholesterol levels, especially small, dense LDL, lower triglycerides, and enhance vascular function. Rich in potassium, avocados contribute to heart health by helping reduce blood pressure. A 150-gram serving provides 725 milligrams of potassium, meeting about 21% of the recommended daily intake for adult males. Food number 5 is fatty fish and fish oil. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, extensively studied for their heart-healthy benefits. Consuming omega-3s from fatty fish may lower the risk of heart disease, slightly reduce the chances of cardiovascular events and irregular heartbeats. Long-term fish consumption is linked to lower levels of total cholesterol, blood triglycerides, fasting blood sugar, and systolic blood pressure. Regular fish intake is associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease, depression, and mortality. If you don't eat much fish, fish oil supplements provide an alternative for obtaining omega-3s, reducing the risk of all-cause mortality, cardiac death, sudden death, and stroke. Other omega-3 supplements like krill oil or algal oil are popular options. Food number 6 is walnuts. Walnuts are rich in fiber and essential micronutrients like magnesium, copper, and manganese. Incorporating a few servings of walnuts into your diet has been shown to be protective against heart disease, especially for certain varieties of tree nuts. Diets supplemented with walnuts may lower LDL and total cholesterol, contributing to cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of nuts, including walnuts, is also linked to a reduced risk of heart disease according to some studies. Food number 7 is beans. Beans contain resistant starch, a type of starch that resists digestion and is fermented by beneficial gut bacteria. This can have positive effects on gut health and its microbiota. Various studies have shown that incorporating beans into your diet can reduce certain risk factors for heart disease. For instance, in a study involving 73 adults with elevated LDL cholesterol, eating canned beans significantly lowered total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. A study indicates that consuming beans and legumes can lead to decreased LDL cholesterol, improved glycemic control, lower blood pressure, and potentially reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, particularly in individuals with diabetes. Food number 8 is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, promoting heart health. Moderate consumption of chocolate, less than 6 servings a week, may lower the risk of coronary heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. However, it's crucial to note that while some studies suggest these associations, they might not consider other contributing factors. Also, be mindful that chocolate can be high in sugar and calories, potentially offsetting its health benefits. Choose high-quality dark chocolate with a cocoa content of at least % and moderate your intake to maximize its heart-healthy advantages. Food number 9 is tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a natural pigment with potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants, like those in tomatoes, counteract harmful free radicals, preventing oxidative damage and inflammation, contributing to heart disease. Low levels of lycopene in the blood are linked to a higher risk of heart attack and stroke. Increasing tomato and lycopene intake, either through food or supplements, positively influences blood lipids, blood pressure, and endothelial function. Research suggests that a serving of raw tomatoes, tomato sauce, or tomato sauce with refined olive oil may lower blood cholesterol and triglycerides while raising HDL, the good cholesterol. Cooking tomatoes enhances lycopene absorption compared to consuming them fresh. Having higher levels of HDL cholesterol helps remove excess cholesterol and plaque from arteries, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Food number 10 is almonds. Almonds are rich in essential vitamins and minerals crucial for heart health, alongside heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which can provide protection against heart disease. Studies indicate that incorporating almonds into your diet can significantly impact cholesterol levels. In one study, consuming 1.5 ounces, which is about 43 grams of almonds daily, for 6 weeks led to a reduction in belly fat and LDL cholesterol, both risk factors for heart disease. Furthermore, eating almonds is linked to higher levels of HDL, the good cholesterol, contributing to reduced plaque buildup and clearer arteries. Despite their nutritional benefits, almonds are calorie-dense, so it's important to measure portions and moderate intake, especially if weight loss is a goal. Food number 11, 12, and 13 are chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are packed with heart-healthy nutrients like fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Studies show that adding these seeds to your diet can improve heart disease risk factors such as inflammation, blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Hemp seeds are rich in arginine, an amino acid linked to lower levels of specific inflammatory markers. Milled flaxseed supplements may lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer, and benefit conditions like gastrointestinal health and diabetes. Chia seeds, with their dietary fibers, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, are excellent for heart health. Including them in your diet may help reduce blood pressure, blood clots, and LDL cholesterol. Food number 14 is garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy that can enhance heart health. Its key component, allicin, is thought to have various therapeutic effects. A review of 12 trials found that garlic supplements effectively lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, comparable to a common prescription drug. Additionally, garlic can hinder the accumulation of platelets, potentially lowering the risk of blood clots and strokes. To make the most of its health benefits, consume garlic raw or crush it and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking to activate allicin. Food number 15 is olive oil. Olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants which can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Its abundance of monounsaturated fatty acids is linked to improved heart health. A 2014 study with 7,216 adults at high risk for heart disease found that those consuming the most olive oil had a 35% lower risk of heart disease. A higher intake was also associated with a 48% lower risk of dying from heart disease. Olive oil, with its oleic acid and antioxidants, can aid in preventing and treating hypertension. Use it by drizzling over cooked dishes or adding to vinaigrettes and sauces. Food number 16 is edamame. Edamame, a young soybean often used in Asian cuisine, is packed with soy isoflavones. These compounds, known as flavonoids, can help lower cholesterol and support heart health. Adding soy protein to your diet may lower the risk of heart disease by even a small amount. Combining this with other diet and lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on heart health. A study found that consuming 30 grams of soy protein daily as part of a cholesterol-lowering diet improved blood lipids, reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to soy isoflavones, edamame and other soy products contain essential heart-healthy nutrients like dietary fiber and antioxidants. Food number 17 is green tea. Green tea offers various health advantages, including enhanced fat burning, better insulin sensitivity, and potential cancer prevention. The polyphenols and catechins in green tea act as antioxidants, safeguarding cells, reducing inflammation, and promoting heart health. Studies indicate that green tea boosts leptin, a hormone that regulates appetite and lowers LDL cholesterol. Green tea extract may also enhance blood pressure and glycemic control. A review found that taking green tea extract for 3 months led to reductions in blood pressure, triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol compared to a placebo. Whether in supplement form or as matcha made from powdered whole green tea leaves, incorporating green tea into your routine can be beneficial for heart health. So, what foods are best for your heart? For a healthy heart, focus on the following foods recommended by the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute. 1. Vegetables. Include leafy greens, broccoli, and carrots. 2. Fruits. Choose apples, bananas, and oranges. 3. Whole grains. Opt for plain oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain bread or tortillas. 4. Fat-free or low-fat dairy products. Include milk, cheese, or yogurt. 5. Protein-rich foods. Include fish, lean meats, eggs, nuts, and legumes. 6. Oils high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Choose canola, corn, olive, safflower, sesame, sunflower, and soybean oils. 7. Foods high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Include nuts, nut and seed butters, salmon and trout, avocados, and tofu. So, what foods prevent heart attacks? Preventing a heart attack is strongly linked to maintaining a healthy, balanced diet, as emphasized by the National Health Service. They suggest adopting a Mediterranean-style diet, characterized by whole grain bread, rice, pasta, vegetables, fruit, and fish. This approach also involves reducing meat intake and moderating foods high in saturated fat. Moreover, which fruit is best for your heart? According to a 2017 study, some of the top fruits for promoting heart health include blueberries, red grapes, pomegranate, apples, avocados, mangoes, blackberries, cherries, kiwi fruit. Furthermore, how can I improve my heart health fast? According to the United States Department of Health and Human Services, here are the top 7 steps to enhance your heart health. 1. Eat a heart-healthy diet. 2. Get active. 3. Maintain a healthy weight. 4. If you smoke, quit and avoid secondhand smoke. 5. Control your cholesterol and blood pressure. 6. Drink alcohol in moderation. 7. Manage your stress. So, the bottom line is, as new evidence emerges, the connection between diet and heart disease becomes more evident. Your diet plays a crucial role in various aspects of heart health, impacting blood pressure, inflammation, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. Incorporating heart-healthy foods into a well-balanced diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.